Mahabir intro die erste.
My name is Mahabir Pun. Let me tell about our projects. There was no internet in Nangi. The closest was in Pokhara, which was a 2-day hike away. So every month, I walk from Nangi to Pokhara to check my emails. For 6 years, every month I did that. In 2001, I decided that there must be a smarter way. My dream was to build a wireless network that would connect Nangi to the rest of the world. People thought I'm crazy. Nobody in Nepal believed that it could work. And there was also no equipment available in Nepal. So I sent an email to the BBC Online News to ask them if they would know somebody who could help me building the wireless network in the remote areas. They replied, "Why do you want to build this network?" I said, "Because we are very far away." They asked, "What do you have so far?" I said, "We have built computers in wooden boxes." They must have thought that is interesting and funny. We communicated for some time and then they published an online article in 2001. As a result of that, I received many emails from people who wanted to help us. 2 guys wanted to come to my village and help me to build the wireless network. One of the guy was from Belgium, his name was Johan, and another guy was from Finland and his name was Johnny. There were no antennas available in the market. Luckily, we found big TV dish antennas that were available. The basic principle of the antenna was same, so we adapted the TV dish antenna to make them work for us. In the morning, in May 2002, we had everything set up. An TV dish antenna in Pokhara was sending a wireless signal roughly in our direction, and we were waiting in Mohore with a huge receiver. We stood at the peak of the ridge for almost 2 hours, slightly moving the antenna in different directions, searching for the signal coming from Pokhara. And then, in our surprise, it actually worked. Of course, it didn't only mean that I could check my emails now more conveniently. It was the start of something much bigger. We have connected our medical clinic in Nangi with the hospital in Kathmandu. The doctors and health workers communicate with each other through video conferencing system. The local e-commerce platform is helping villagers to sell their goods and products more efficiently. We have established a high school in Nangi where 350 children are learning latest online educational materials.
Correct.
Nepal is facing a big challenge today. There are not enough jobs available to make sufficient income for young people. That's why many young people live to work abroad, very often under very poor conditions. The wireless project has created some base for new ways of income and opportunities for the young generation. One of my dreams is to build a college first and then develop that college to a university, especially in the mountain areas, to help people, the children of the poor people go to college. Another project I am working on with my friends, especially we are dreaming to build an innovation center to nurture the creativity and innovative ideas of young people, because there are many talent and creative young people are being drained to foreign countries. I would like to start more income generating programs that are feasible there in the mountains. I would like to promote tourism in more remote areas and build new trekking trails in the Annapurna region. One project I have been dreaming is if it is possible to build a cable car near Pokhara, connecting Pokhara to Manang, where it snows very much. Because many people in Pokhara, they haven't seen, or they haven't touched snow. So it will be very nice for people to go up in the mountain in cable car and play in snow. Also, I would like to grow grapes in the mountain and make wine from the grapes. I would like to see if we can grow olive in the mountains and sell the olive oil. The wine made from millet is very popular in Nepal, so I am thinking if there is ways to make whiskey from millet. I think if we could make a whiskey from millet, it will be very popular in Nepal. This was about our projects, and you should come and visit us in Nepal.